People, we need to talk. Let me sit the camera down. Now look, it's this little disease spreading around Kalamazoo Battle Creek area. Little thing called homosexuality. If I look sad, it's because I am. If I look also a little pissed, it's because I am. Now look, y'all. Now it was cool when it was just a select few who was gay and bisexual, but now it's done got way out of hand. I mean, everywhere I turn, it's another bisexual female. Dudes, y'all gay too. You know, I'm gonna address that in another video. Y'all sent me some gay mugs out there too, and I know who y'all are. And y'all ain't slick, nigga. We know y'all gay, cause y'all be doing some gay shit on the low. But y'all girls, y'all don't even care. Like, what is it? Like, y'all don't even care. It's no, like, I go to church, and it's like a gay fest. It's a gay fest. It's like it's a sign across my church that say, gay girls come turn these supposedly Christian girls from straight to gay. And I don't get it. I mean, what could be better than this? A man, a boy. Like, what have we done that was so bad to y'all that y'all, like, everybody gotta go gay? For the select few of y'all who out there that ain't gay, shout to my girl, you ain't gay, you know, I love you for that. You know, I'm making sure you don't turn gay. But God dang, it's a lot of y'all out there. Everywhere I turn, I'm talking to my boy. Oh yeah, she gay. Oh yeah, she gay. Oh yeah, she gay. Like, what is going on? Like somebody tell me, please. Comment on the video, tell me, like, what is so appealing about being gay? What? I'm sorry, maybe I'm using the wrong term. About being a lesbian. It's the same thing. I hate people say, I'm not gay. Nigga, you a lesbian. Bisexual. Same thing, man. If you liked a girl at one point, if you ever kissed a girl, if you ever had feelings for a girl, if you ever went out with a girl, you're gay, you're a lesbian, you're bisexual. It's all the same. It's all wrapped up in one of me. Y'all need to stop. Y'all need to stop. This is going to be y'all need to stop number 2. Y'all need to stop because y'all acting a fool with it. I mean, dang. For this select few, y'all been gay for a while, okay. But y'all coming in here and y'all turning everybody that we love gay. Now, what we going to do? What as a man, you know, not saying that I am, but if me and something happened to my girl, what am I going to do? What, do I got to go gay? You know? No, that ain't even a choice. But God dang. We running out of girls, man. Like they say we run out of guys, we running out of girls. It's only a select few left that ain't bisexual. And you know, everybody say it's real, man, that's sexy to have, man, but when you're trying to be in a relationship, you don't want your girl looking at girls. Like, I don't get it. Like, somebody let me know what the heck is going on. What's so appealing about being bisexual? Let me know, because I don't get it. I don't see what's attractive about it to a girl. Like, what can a girl do for you that a boy can't? Y'all let me know. Cause y'all, and some of y'all know who gonna watch this video. Y'all know I don't like this gay stuff. Like, it's going too far. Y'all hitting home with it, and it's going too far. You know, people I love turn out to be gay. People I didn't even know was gay, just gay. So I'm out, man.